With its cutting-edge innovations, research and development, sustained growth and size, Lasa Super Generics Limited is racing to the future with niche process innovations, fully backward integration using catalyst chemistry and global marketing strategy. To those who have seen Lasa over the years, one thing is clear. The company, acquired in 2012, has today evolved as a dominant animal healthcare player. The journey of Lasa began when Dr. Hirlekar sensed a huge growth potential in the animal healthcare market. Soon after he acquired Lasa in 2012, there was no visible competitor that had niche veterinary API product basket like Lasa did. Similarly, top 10 companies had diversified but non-overlapping products, and none of them practiced multi-step complex catalyst chemistry like Lasa. Further, barely 20% products were protected by patents. On the contrary, Lasa had a strong pipeline of 7 process IPRs backed by robust R&D capabilities and a pipeline of high entry barrier API products. This gave Lasa a competitive edge over its competitors. The race began in India 4 years ago, laying a strong foundation of veterinary active pharma ingredients manufacturing. Farmed grazing animals such as cow, goat and sheep graze closer to fecal material found in the grass. As a consequence, over 60 million grazing cattle across the globe are seriously afflicted with various gastrointestinal parasites such as roundworms, tapeworms and liver fluke, which reduces yield of milk and meat production, causing huge economic loss of the livestock industry annually. While the presence of internal parasites in cattle is apparent, but removing the economic burden it represents remain a big challenge, thanks to soaring drug prices that has been adversely affecting the sustainability of livestock enterprises globally. Lasa plays an integral role in offering a diverse mix of cost-effective niche anthelmintic APIs used for deworming grazing cattle and aquatic species. His passion is unmistakable. A venerated personality, Dr. Omkar Hirlekar is widely known as the catalyst chemistry man of the Indian animal healthcare industry. He single-handedly revolutionized and leveraged catalyst chemistry through extensive use of basic petrochemical derivatives in its veterinary API manufacturing process. A PhD in organic chemistry from the Institute of Chemical Technology and MBA in Finance from Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Dr. Hirlekar is acclaimed for his smart acquisitions and unique business management. He currently holds about 19 process patents to his credit and has authored over 50 peer-reviewed publications in noted journal.
Lasa is a veterinary drug company which focuses on doing conventional products by a different way. So we are a little different than other people. So these entry barriers are one of the very, very important thing while considering any entry into any business. I can design any catalyst which will speed up the reaction, which will increase the yield of the reaction, which will lessen the byproducts and the effluent emissions of the reaction, and which will curtail the time cycle of the reaction.
Commencing from a small manufacturing facility in Mahad in Raigad district of Maharashtra, it currently has 4 world-class vertically integrated manufacturing units spread across Chiplun in Ratnagiri district. All our manufacturing units are located in close proximity to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust based in Nhava Sheva. Lasa is founded upon its strong principles in manufacturing complex and critical APIs across the entire animal healthcare value chain through its path-breaking ideas, innovative process technology and research.
Lasa shares one of the great success stories as the country's leading animal healthcare company with a great promise for the future. Lasa has the potential to clock a double-digit growth as there is a renewed demand for anthelmintic APIs from various livestock industries.
Our fully backward integrated API manufacturing model with the help of various catalysts has helped us cut dependence on China for raw materials, reduce costs, provide a sustainable process and improve quality of our API product. Besides, extensive use of catalyst in our manufacturing process has helped in increasing our gross profit margin. Similarly, our 7 catalyst process IPRs have created a strong entry barrier and pull the plug on infringement. Further, stringent regularity norms in India for benzimidazole derivatives offer us the competitive edge over our peers. Lasa has carved its niche in backward integration in its manufacturing process using catalysts. The company uses basic petrochemical derivatives to develop basic organic molecule, basic intermediate to develop advanced intermediate, N-1 to develop API. It has helped in considerably reducing time, decreasing labor costs, cut down on time cycle, increase yield and productivity in the same infrastructure. Similarly, it has helped in increasing our EBITDA and gross profit margin, reduce cost of raw materials by mitigating dependency on import, reduce electricity and energy consumptions, reduce wear and tear of machines, produce less emission and effluent discharge, and curtail toxic threshold concentration in effluents significantly.
Lasa Labs was acquired in the year 2012 with an annual sales of 1 crore and asset base of around 6 crores. During year FY13, the first year after the takeover, company achieved a milestone of around 11 crores of sales. Next consecutive year, which is FY14, company achieved a milestone of around 36 crores. FY15, company achieved a milestone of 71 crores. Last year, which is FY16, company registered an unprecedented growth of 136 crores. Company is poised to reach greater heights in the years to follow.
Established as the leader in catalyst chemistry, Lasa has a diverse mix of over 15 niche anthelmintic APIs. The company's top 7 products contribute to 80% of its top line, with a global footprint spread across 27 developed countries. Lasa has over 200 domestic and global customers in every product and enjoys about 35% market share in the Indian veterinary healthcare industry.
The able leadership and excellent execution team packed with fine facility and product line. We hope we'll be among the top ranked 5 companies among pharma API in the world. Lasa has a global presence of about 37 to 40 countries today. In anthelmintic field, Lasa is the leader of API in India and also across the globe.
High temperature azeotrope separation, pressure reactions up to 50 atmospheres, vacuum handling up to 1 torr, cryogenic reactions up to minus 75 degrees centigrade, handling up to 400 degrees centigrade, flash and spray drying, multi-stage fractional distillation, column chromatography, membrane filtration and reverse osmosis are some of the salient features that offers Lasa an edge over its competitors. The Indian animal health industry has played a vital role in safeguarding the animal husbandry interests of the nation. The Indian animal healthcare market is estimated to be around 450 crore rupees in 2015 and is projected to be around 1000 crore rupees by 2020. The species share in animal healthcare market is 50% for livestock, 40% for poultry, 5% for companion animals and rest 5% for other remaining animals.
Lasa is amongst the youngest player in the Indian animal healthcare business, which is primarily dominated by an organization operating in the market for more than 30 years. And Lasa has made tremendous growth in last 3 years.
Lasa has well-equipped state-of-the-art R&D and QA and QC centers based in Mahad and Chiplun in the Konkan region of Maharashtra. It has XRD and LCMS laboratories to handle polymorphic evaluation and identify trace-level impurities, process development and scale-up labs attached to every manufacturing unit with HPLC laboratories for routine method development, UV, IR, polarimeter, potentiometer, KF titrator, wet laboratories, GC, GCHS labs used for method, RS OVI development to handle flash column chromatography, PREP HPLC, particle size analyzer, Zeta potential, nano sizer and preparative LC.
We aspire to grow at 25 to 30% year on year. So, and opportunities go on coming. Nobody can foresee what opportunity comes. As long as you are very strong in your field, definitely opportunities come at your footsteps. As far as regulatory strong points is concerned, we have a full-fledged WHO GMP manufacturing facility in Mahad, which is capable of getting audited by multinationals. We have a lot of process patents filed. We also have DMFs in the respective countries which are being filed, and we have the state-of-the-art plant to manufacture and cater to the regulatory markets.
Lasa has robust statutory audits and attestations, internal audits, control assurance, internal controls and compliance, IFRS, IFC, financial due diligence, and forensic or investigative audits.